Now I do. Okay, had no audio, so I got to start over. Oh, that's boring because you have to do the disclaimers. So let's go back to my disclaimer. I will be back in, well, with the charts in about 15 seconds. The disclaimer with audio live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy my trades. There is a latency of about 10 seconds on YouTube. I'm an active scalper. Often I will be out of the trade before you even know that I'm in the trade. If you attempt to copy my trades, you are almost certain to lose money. You are certain to lose money. I also trade offline, so you don't even get to see the complete picture. I'm not a licensed professional. I'm not providing any investment or trading advice. This is for entertainment. Trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. I am not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or your losses. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Read the rest of the CFTC rule and understand it. And let's get back to the charts. No, M&Q only. I think we'll look at the two. I activated Counter-Strike, so I'll watch Counter-Strike. Let me take it off over here. Let me make it a little bit bigger, hidden. I'm surprised it hasn't marked off any bars yet. Let me see. Okay, it's activated, so we'll watch it. We'll see if we get any signals from Counter-Strike. Again, that's an algo I coded, and I'm forward testing. It did great in the beginning, not so great for the most part of last week. Maybe it's the Christmas holidays. Maybe there's lower volume. So I don't know. I don't have an explanation for it. But what I can tell you is that I'm just watching it, and I am not trading it. My algo runs and I look at the results. Actually, Friday's results were pretty good. I think it ended up plus 50 points. Let me put up the chart here. We'll make it smaller. I think I was up about $100. I don't know. We'd have to consult the video. Aside from that, I'll be eating my supper while I watch the markets because there's not that much going on. So this is a 2-for-1. You get an ASMR and you get a trading video. Let's see if the ASMR works. Hold on. Give me a minute. Tell me if you hear this. ASMR, baby. Let me put up the two charts. And let's have that view. I like that view. Okay, I kind of should be long. We're at view up. I hate trading at view up, but it's Sunday night. I will take a very small position size. So let's just enter this trade. Consider it tradertainment. My stop will be at 21 minus 14 will be at 707. We'll put it in. We're 707. Wow, it's quite a far way away. But it is where it is. Sell stop. There's my sell stop. I wouldn't be surprised if it got hit. I got a trade on the downside. This little flush here you saw for about 30 points. I caught 10 points, I think. Not sure. And that's it. We'll see what happens. Let's analyze the markets just quick. On the 15-minute, that's always my preferred chart of choice. And what did we do? We dumped for 2 days after we retraced for almost 3 days from the complete wipeout that we had on, I think it was Wednesday. We retraced about 75%, and we've been falling ever since. So, do we make another leg up, or do we make another leg down? Well, if we assume we're going to make another leg up, we hit the 50%. What was that, Friday? And Friday's day regular session, regular trading hour. So who knows? Who knows? Who knows? Anything can happen. I guess if we take out these lows, I would assume the 516, 490 to 510 area. I would assume we are going to be heading lower if we break that. Let's just try and, oh, stop that already. How wonderful. That was quick. Mark off this little area on the 15-minute chart. Yeah, let's see if that area holds. Can I make it a little tighter? This? No. Actually, if I'm going to make it tighter, that's something that I would look at. Knowing that I have still a little bit of support underneath that, but that's the area I'll watch. Okay, well, start off the stream with one loser. That's a good omen. Never want to start off with a winner. That means only good things to come. I am. Oh, I've got conflicting signals, eh? What's on the 5-minute? The 5-minute, the 5 minutes. Where are we in relation to Friday? We are under VWAP, which is the blue dashed line. We are under Friday's close, which is the white dashed line over here. And we are not above Friday's high, and we are not below Friday's low. So I would say, based on what I'm looking at, being under VWAP, being under the close of Friday, for now, it's a bearish bias. How many times I take trades right up on VWAP and get whacked? VWAP is definitely a reason not to take trades for me. Okay, well, the ASMR joke was funny, but only one time. Now I'm going to eat. I'm turning my microphone off. Well, unfortunate for me, I have to follow the rules, the process, which means if I get a signal to the upside, I got to take it because my main chart is bullish. And it's the only one. Counter strike is bearish, and it's a pretty decent signal actually. When you get a 2-bar retrace in a bearish environment, and then you get a bearish candle, that's always a good trade to take. But everything I have is saying long, except for a few random charts. It's conflicting signals, but the main charts are long. So we will watch and we will take the entry if it comes. And it's very close. It's at 14. Kind of want to see 14 get hit and hold, but that's where I will be going long in that area. We'll try and get a better price. Where am I marking the fair value gaps on? 1 minute 30 seconds. That's it. That's it. That's it. Look at that. A better price. Supposed to be long at 14. Got long at 10.50. 10 and a half. I hope it won't stop me right away. I mean, I do have some distance between my entry and view up, and Friday's close, so. But unfortunately, since the open, we have been trending lower. We haven't seen anything to indicate that we're moving higher yet. But I will still take the signals as they come. Gotta try and put up the MFFU chart. That'll help to show what it is exactly that I'm following. But right now, it's very similar to what you see over here. On this side, where Counter-Strike went short. Well, that's a target filled. That's another bad one. Target filled on Counter-Strike. Counter-Strike is up 8 points. That's the chart on the left side. And I'm going to add the fair value gap marker on this chart as well. And maybe even on the 15-minute chart. What do we have? The last one, we oh wow, way back there. Serious? We haven't had a bearish fair value gap since noon on Friday. That's impressive. Well, we got a long way to go even to revisit the 50% mark of this, retracing the run up that's been going on for now, what, 1, 2, 3, 4 days? 21,550, 150 points still. Room to the downside. Okay, what are we looking at here? We have a fair value gap. I wouldn't really say that's a significant one. It's not off any important low or any important levels. And let me see if there was a new week opening gap. I didn't even look for that. I don't think there was, to be honest with you. I think we pretty much opened where we closed. I mean, you're talking 4 points. I wouldn't call that a new week opening gap. And if you would call it a new week opening gap, it's not something you can trade off of. My own personal MFFU curse continues. Take a trade in MFFU and lose. Okay, given that I'm bearish, let's go short in the 50% level here. I will add over there. Let's see if we can get down to 79. I'll cover it. I'll cover at 79. And I don't think I'll add anymore. Let's go. Oh, so close, so close. That's enough for me. I have to break the MFFU curse that is plaguing me. There we go. I didn't want to see it go to one tick above my take profit and then reverse, especially since it could just wick me here. Sweep these lows. No, excuse me, not hit my take profit and then reverse. So okay, well, that was maybe a sign of good things to come for this evening. We are seeing quite a bit of decent movement to the downside. 740, 70 points already. It's probably quiet out there coming up to the New Year's holidays. And even tomorrow and Tuesday, don't expect there to be volumes like normal. It will pick up after the New Year. Okay, we're getting a small micro retrace. I'm looking for a reason to go short again. Sparky, are you losing your mind? I'll do a one lot on this break of the low of the 30-second candle. And I'd be quite optimistic on this trade if we can take out the full fair value gap. We can fill it. And I do have to say I am now definitely bearish for the evening, which means it's going to reverse. I will not have a very far stop on this one. My stop will be at 72, 82, 86. 7 points. I'll even put it in. And let's see if we can get 10, 15 points on it. 72, 65. I will take 65, 65, 50, 65, 75. Buy limit. There we go. Now we sit on our hands, we watch, we wait and watch, and I get to eat. I am stopped out now. Okay, let's see what next trade brings us. Still thinking short. Entry, I think if we can get down to 79, I might take that short and see if we can get continuation through the lows.
She made Christmas great again. It was all wrapped in gold and red. What could it be? I scratched my head and I saw the coffee cup. This morning I filled it up. It's a cup. That's more than a cup, it's great. Memories all wrapped up. If it chips or cracks or loses its shine, I'll never dump it, this cup is mine. She made Christmas great again. It was all wrapped in gold and red. What could it be? I scratched my head, then I saw the coffee cup. This morning I filled it up. It's a cup that's more than a cup. It's great memories all wrapped up. If it chips or cracks or loses its shine, I'll never dump it, this cup is mine. Cat, she made Christmas great again.
Okay, I'm back. Did you miss me? Did I miss anything? Well, on the 32nd, we have a little bit of a reversal. a micro reversal. Might have an entry here. Getting in a little bit early. Yeah, no, things aren't working out. My keyboard was on the wrong side of the desk. Now it's going to start to go better. Watch. Watch and learn. When we break the low of a 30-second candle, I'll go short. But for now, we wait. Of course. That's what you get for going in early. We bounce off VWAP this time again. We did in the early part of the evening. Didn't break the low yet of the previous candle. Still waiting for that. Seeing a little bit of resistance here at VWAP. But it's not really trading actively at this level. It's quite quiet, actually. Well, I'll be happy to get out of this trade with my private tech. That's about it. Let's see if I can add the audio in the meantime. Speakers. Okay. Redlining. There you go. I think you can hear what I'm hearing. That is the ticker. It ticks for every time there's a trade. It lets me know how active the markets are. Often you'll hear a pickup of the ticks as we reach significant levels, highs and lows of the previous day's close, VWAP. If it gets on your nerves, let me know. I can turn it off. I can turn yours off. Give me a second. Back. For now, VWAP is holding. I'd like to see it hold and break below the bands. Maybe even take out the 630 lows. No, that's clicking. That's the TikTok ticker. Give me a second. I'll turn it off. You should hear me well. My mic is pretty high. I don't know why you wouldn't hear me well, but there is always one thing to check. Give me a second. Open sound settings. Sound devices. Nope. Oh, my mic is high. You should be able to hear me well. There, I'll turn off the desktop audio. And now you should hear me well. My cat's driving me crazy. Hold on, I don't see. Oops. You still hear the static? I think I turned it off. Hold on. Okay, mic is on. Volume seems good. Volume seems good. No, I don't hear what you're hearing, Dave. My mic seems loud. No, I don't hear what you're hearing, Dave. There is an echo now because of my speaker, but if I turn it off. No, I'm going to let it run till 7:14. That was where my stop was. I can't show you really the chart, but that's where the stop was. I'm curious to hear what you were calling the static. Let me open it up again. Is this what you were calling static? The tick, click, click, click? Is this what you were calling static? Tick, click, click, click? It's not static, it's a click. Static, it's a click. It's so funny. 3,000 clicks per second. I don't know. Maybe your speakers are busted. I'll turn it off. I can see why it can get annoying. I can see how it can get annoying. David Miser. David Miser, did you subscribe to my new channel? I'll send you a t-shirt too. Give me a subscribe and a like. Even though I didn't earn it. Okay, put the headphones back on. Go and shower. I'm quitting soon anyways. Wow, look at that. So many subscribers and so many likes, even though no one's watching me. How is that possible? Oh, it just went down. Well, thankfully I survived that lousy trade. No more getting in early. I think I've learned that's a stupid idea. Both of you are going in the shower? David Misner and Justin Cloutier? Wow. Everybody's dirty. Okay, dirty YouTubers, go and shower. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel, especially when it's a new channel. Okay, let's see if we can get a decent move down here. My stop will be at 95, 10 points. The break of this swing high. Let us put it in the market. Let us record it. Oops, wrong. Okay. Hopefully the markets will be nice to me. Actually, you know what? For this kind of crappy trade, I'm not even sure I want to be short 2 micros. Let me get out of one. Let me just put out a feeler I'll add to this trade if it goes down to 79. At 79, I will sell another one. Normally I don't put my stops in, but in this case I'll put a stop in. Maybe a little higher though. I don't like where it is. I think I'm going to go up to 01. Let it break through 700. I can always regret that decision later. Well, there's really not a volume going on. Not a lot of volume going on. It's pretty quiet out there. You know what? If you take me out by sweeping the highs, you got me. But you're going to have to sweep them by 7 points. I got a 1 lot. It's going to be the best you can do on the short side. Maybe I'm trying to improve my price. So if I can add higher and cover just a little bit better than break even, a small piece, the rest that I'm holding is at a better price. Yes, it's a little bit of a risky play, but I want it to break 90. If it breaks 90, even gets into the 90s, I'll cover the other piece. Okay, starting over, I guess. Good enough. We'll see where it goes. And I'm not having my stop up there. Forget about it. The fish just jumped in the pond. Okay, well, this is the third attempt at getting through VWAP, so I have to assume, third, maybe even the fourth attempt, I think we're going to break through it, and we're going to make a run for Friday's close at 7:20. That is what I think we're going to do. Now, given that it's 7 p.m. on a Sunday evening, it may take 2 hours to get there. But that is still what I think we're going to do. Four tries at a level. That's odd that it doesn't break through when it goes attacks a level so many times. I expect to see a spike up. Could be a spike down, but I expect to see a spike up. Oh, it's quiet. Now let's hear if the ticker tracker picks up in velocity. So far, nothing. Tick, tick, tick. Nothing doing. Everyone is sleeping, which is what I should be doing. Oh, there we had a little bit of a pickup in volume, but it was to the downside, which is why I lightened up. So what's this thing doing? It's setting me up to go short, and then it's going to break through VWAP. because I might have a short setup. And I'm really not in the mood to take it. Because I do think we're going to run for Friday's close. We will see. My short, or my stop out would be at 86, approximately. Okay, fifth time's the charm. Is that when we break through view up and head for Friday's close? Or do we just barcode here at the at view up like happens so often? Tick, tick, tick. Sounds like a typewriter. It doesn't sound like static to me. Well, nothing to see here today. Be on your way. Unless we get an explosive move through VWAP. I'm watching. I'm waiting. I'd like to see it close above the bands. That would be my first encouraging sign. I have a green background on Counter-Strike. That's bullish. The 1 minute is bullish. The 5 minute is bearish. Might get my close. Bar timer disabled. What's going on here? There we go. Well, this will be the 5th time we try to go through VWAP. 6th time, maybe even. 6 times, really? And you're still going to fail? Nope. Price is really respecting VWAP. Wow, that was almost a 10-point dump off VWAP at this hour. That is surprising. Okay, 10 more minutes for me and that's it. I'm done. Come shit or shinola. Let's roll the dice on a VWAP break. But I'm going to fight for price, even if I do that. Yeah, 2 lots enough. Let's see what we do. I'll put a sell limit for 1 up there because it keeps hitting view up and getting whacked back down. It's like whack-a-mole today. So why not take a piece off? And if I can enter another one lower down at 93 again, I will. My stop is still at 86. Eight points. Wow, it's quiet out there. Mm-hmm. I'm going to get out of 1 lot 5 points higher because it's inside the little pennant that I drew there. Oh, there it is. We break through. How did I know? Now do we make a run for previous day's close? Let's put in a sell order up here. 1 more push. 1 more push. 6 points. 7 points. And I'm done for the day at 7:30. Leaving with a winner. Leaves a good taste in my mouth for tomorrow morning. Let's go. Push it. How many attempts at VWAP was that? Let's go to the 1 minute. Should show on all lines. No way. You're going to push it back down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Between 4 and 7, depending on how you count them. I am still expecting a run for previous day's close, which is the dashed white line. But yes, at this hour, I'm not going to trade anything but small micro positions. It's Sunday night, 7:30. There's probably only me and 5 other people watching the markets right now. I mean, that's an exaggeration, but you know what I mean. So 2 people push it up, 3 people push it down. There isn't really a whole lot of conviction either way. But I will add to this position if we break a high of a previous bar. In the meantime, I sit, I wait, And I could sing you a song, but I won't. Monologuing. Monologuing is terrible. Why is nobody chatting out there? Everyone's a bunch of lurkers. Ah, there we go. Okay, let's run for 716 now. Yeah, the market's just died. 716, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Put a sell limit there. Sell limit there. Ah, F off. Come on. Okay, well, I won't make $100 in this evening session. I think I'll have to be happy with $61.50. It's not giving me the follow through. It was, I think that was the push I was waiting for. Maybe I'll try one more time if we get a small bar and then a break of a high. But I'm not going to do it on a long bar with a break of a high. And Counter-Strike right now is down 8 points for the evening. Again, Counter-Strike is really just just an algo that's, yeah, now you go, eh? That's supposed to trade. Yeah, that's funny. An algo that's supposed to trade during regular market hours, so I don't really take much stock for how it does in the evening session. Yeah, it's too bad. I wanted to buy the break of a high if it was a small bar. Well, we took a 3 point dump, a flash dump of 3 points. I guess someone hit the market with a 10 lot. It's that quiet. Oh, I'm bored. No one's out there. I'm the only one. I'm the only stupid. Oh my goodness. Okay. Do I want to let it run? Do I want to let it go all evening? Do I think, for the fun of it, we head back up and go to the 822 level? That would be, let's say, 150 points. That would be a 300-point winner. Or do we dump? That was a big dump. Let's look at the last big dump we had. What? Oh, I'm not on the 15-minute. On the last dump we had, we dumped, we retraced, and we dumped lower. And then we recovered. So, can you say we dumped, we retraced, and we dumped lower? Or do we dump, we retrace, we dump lower, and then we go? It's not so well defined. Although this is quite small, and that's quite small. You can consider that the second one, and then we go up to 22,100. I can make an argument for both sides. And all it would be is an interesting social experiment. $18.75 is my sell limit on my algo. So if it's good for the algo, it's good for me. Away tabernac. Monesticales. I could say that, even though this is a kids channel. Two's enough. A big two lot. 1875. Let's go 1875. 15, 50, 15, 25, 16, 15, 75, 14, 75. Do I have 16? 15, 15, 50. 14, 75 is the best offer. Can someone take out the offer at 14, 14, 25, 14, 75, 13, 75? We're going in the wrong direction. Red bar on Counter-Strike, I'm gone. And what does the red bar look like? Ooh, all the way down there, really? Serious? No red bar on Counter-Strike yet. There we go. Gone to sleep. We broke the view up. We kind of approached Friday's close, which is the white dash line, but I don't know. We didn't come that close. What are we? 1850. Oh, 2 points. 2 points is close. Close-ish. My stop is at, ouch, 28. That's too far away. Sorry. I don't want that much exposure. Even though it is Moonslayer. Hello, Moonslayer. Do I know you? Are we the only two trading the markets at this hour? You have any trades on? You have any bias, any positions? Any thoughts on where you think the market's going to go? I mean, we broke VWAP and we're holding. I had a theory that we were going to head for the previous day's close, for Friday's close, which is the white dash line. We got awful close, but missed my take profit by a tick, as always seems to be the case. Wow, what a stupid last trade. Mange la marde, as they say in French. Why am I on the 1 minute chart? Oh, look at that. Are we going to now head for the previous day's close? Or was that just a stupid mini fake out and then we go back down? A huge 4-point mini fake out. Tick, tick, tick. Let's see what we do. Come on, someone give it a kick in the ass for a 2-point bump. Wrong direction. That was a kick in the teeth, not a kick in the ass. I want to go home. Oh my God. It's so quiet. Of course, what else is new? Oh, a 30-second bearish fair value gap. What else is new? Come on, VWAP. Make me proud. You've been rejecting price all evening. Nope, not this time. Maybe. Activity picked up a bit. I will take it. I will not complain. Let's go up to 09. Can we do that? Moonslayer still in the room? I'm monologuing. It's boring. Market's got quiet again. 4 points, 3 points. Two points. Come on, you can do it. A little price action that could. Oh, there we go, the one tick again. How I can always find it one tick away. I have that magic ability. Oh, 7. Let's get out of 5. I have too many contracts for this shitty of a position. Looks like it wants to try and go hard. Look at that. Look at that. Go eat. Well, soon I'm going to get an official buy entry. It'd be a shame to have done all those trades and then leave when I actually get a setup that triggers, so I will take it. But I will wait. If I can get over 100 for the evening, I won't complain. And the trade has triggered. I'll go in for a 2-lot and we'll see what happens. My stop is at 700, approximately. I'm going to catch the one trade that reverses on me instantly. Since the opening, there hasn't been one that reversed instantly. The first one that I take on these signals, and it's going to reverse. Not nice, especially given that it's 8 o'clock and it's quitting time soon. I'm on the 30-second chart. Break of a high of a previous bar I'll add. Maybe. I haven't decided yet. I got 1 second to decide. There we go. If you come down a little bit and I can get a better price. What am I at? Give me 5 points on the first piece. Oh, I would have had it if I had a limit order in there. 16, there we go. That's 6, 7 points on the first piece. And we're going to assume we're going to sweep these highs over here by just a tiny little bit. I mean, we could go beyond the previous day's close, but that'll be my assumption. I will put my stop, sell stop over here for 1. I don't feel like losing on this. We'll let it play out. And that's it. Trim 1 off if it reverses and closes. I don't even see a fair value gap. I don't know what you're talking about. There we go. I'm done. 117. My day is done. Thank you very much, David, for telling me what to do. I appreciate your help. I hope to see you here tomorrow morning. I'm heading out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It helps the new channel. Get out of the basement. Share the video with all your friends, even if you only have 2. And I will see you guys tomorrow around 9:15 in the morning.